Soft Matte Complete Concealer is a full coverage concealer that has a very soft matte finish. You can build and layer and the skin will always look like skin, and that's something that's very important to Francois NARS. It has an extensive shade range with 16 global shades. To apply, use your fingertips and just gently tap in the areas where you need coverage. If you have any dark spot or discoloration, Soft Matte Complete Concealer is great used with a high precision concealer brush. When applying Soft Matte Complete Concealer all over the face, if you need more coverage, fingertips work very well because the heat of the fingers will actually melt the products into the skin. Looks and feels very lightweight. For normal skins or oily skins, this is a great concealer to use around the eye area as well, but it also has collagen-boosting peptides that will help to diminish the look of fine lines and soften the area where the concealer is applied. When working with a deeper skin tone, you'll often have darker tones on the outer perimeter of the face and lighter through the center. It's important when you're concealing to make sure that you don't erase either one of those tones. So now I'm taking this second color, it's just a shade lighter, and I'm going through the center of the face. And you'll see that this brightens and gives a beautiful highlight to the skin.